So here we have two sets of brackets. So what we do is we're going to solve the inner bracket first, and then the outer bracket. Because what we're doing is we're actually solving, well, the outer bracket first, the big bracket here, and inside the bracket we need to solve the inner bracket first. So we're just going to simplify 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we're just going to rewrite it. 2 times 4 plus 3 times 2 plus 1. So that's the 2 plus 1 here. 2 plus 1 as 3 times 3 squared. The squared hasn't changed. I can even put it in brackets. The squared hasn't changed. I'm going to actually not put it in red, therefore. Squared. So all I did here was write 2 plus 1 as 3. And you can't forget the squared because it's still there. Next, we solve our exponents. So that would be 2 times 4 plus. Just going to solve this exponent here. So 3 times 3 squared, and that's 9. So here, exponent here turns into 9. Okay, so now we have this last bracket left. This bracket here. So we solve that one first. So here's our bracket. We're just going to solve that. So we say 2 times 4 hasn't changed. Plus, and then this bracket here, it's 3 times 9, it's 27. And then, well, we have a multiplication here. 2 times 4. And that one comes first. So I'm going to put it in brackets so that we remember to do it first. Otherwise, we might forget. So 2 times 4, that's 8. 8 plus our 27. And then we just have simple addition, and we say 8 plus 27 is 35. And this is our answer. Again, anybody else who would solve this one should, in theory, get the same answer. Let's try just one last exercise. Okay. 2 times root 4 plus 3 minus 2 times 5 squared. The first thing we do is we look for grouping symbols. And the first one I can see is this square root here. So we're just going to rewrite it exactly the same way, but we're going to simplify the square root. So we say 2 times, and we know that root 4 is 2. So here, root 4 is going to become 2. Plus 3 minus 2 times 5 squared. The next thing we solve are exponents. So this would be this 5 squared here. And we're just going to write 5 squared as 5 times 5, 25. So we say 2 times 2 plus 3 minus 2 times 25. Whoops, I'm going to write in blue. So again, here I just wrote the 5 squared as 25. Now we have multiplication and addition and subtraction. And we know that multiplication and division come first. So we're just going to do the multiplication here. So we're just going to write a couple brackets around what we want to do first. So we recognize it among this long line of signs and numbers. So we have 2 times 2. We know that that goes first. Plus 3 minus 2 times 5. And 2 times 5 comes first as well. So we're just going to write it out. So we have 2 times 2. That's 4. Plus 3 minus, and then here we have 2 times 25, and that's 50. And now we can just add it from left to right. So we have 4 plus 3, that's 7, minus 50 is negative 43. I really should have chosen another number. So that's equal to negative 43. So it's really not difficult. You just have to do it methodically and just go through it step by step and just each time simplify it one step more.